What's up, guys? It's been a while, it's been so long, but I'm excited to be here. And I'm gonna take you guys on a quick trip with me. I have something very special with Lexus. We're gonna do a nice Napa country adventure with their newest addition to the line. And I'm excited. All right, guys, I made it to Napa, and obviously, as kings do, we gotta get in the king robe. This room, let me show you. It's a rainy day today. Very rainy in the beautiful St.Helena. Now this room, got the nice king bed, nice television, nice fireplace. You got the charcuterie for your boy, cause you know I'm hungry. This is a hotel named Bar de Sauna, and you have this marvelous bathroom. Where's the light at? Tub, closet space, shower, 2 his and hers. All right, I'm up. I'm looking a little refreshed. Honestly, I didn't sleep that well last night. When you have kids, guys, and your kids are not around, you don't sleep the same. So I had a hard time sleeping yesterday, to be honest with you, and I really need coffee. And I also have a little bit of work to do before we take off. So priorities first, let's go do it. All right, so we're here for a photo op. Have you ever seen a gentleman out in the wild so stylish, dude? Jesus, where do you live? You're looking so stylish in this woods. You come out of nowhere.
Do what we gotta do.
Got him out here. Boom. Let's do it. Photo ops. In your room? Jeez, how'd you feel about that, huh?
I can't wait.
Put that cream all over it.
Holy crap, it's
It's bowl of rice with that.
Honestly, let me get some tortillas. Let me get some tortillas. All right, guys. I attempted to smoke a cigar, but it's a little bit too cold outside, so it's a no-go. Literally can't. Check this out. I have this little cigar case, like holder, so you can take it wherever you go. It's a little pouch. Las Finas Llamas. It's amazing. and I tried to smoke a cigar right now outside, but it's too windy, so it kept going out, and it's wet, so I can't even chill. I'm just standing up smoking a cigar. But it was tasty. I had a nice little taste. Tom Holland came out with Barrow and Beetle, and this is a Edgy Hill Hazy IPA. And the moment that I saw the marketing for this, I knew that it was something different. I was like, it was not like the Heineken. I just felt like the way that thing fizzled and foamed, I was like, I have to give it a shot. And so I reached out. They sent me some cases, but I also wanted to try it now, and I didn't want to wait. So I did go to Target. You can find it at Target, and I bought a case, also some Hot Wheels for my son, and it's a 6-pack, and they have 3 different versions. I tried the IPA because I always usually go for the IPA, and I honestly could tell you that this beer is so good.
It's almost just waiting for me. I think it's waiting for me just to go out. And is it? Whoa. It's pretty cold out there. Look, it has a icy top. Even these have an icy top. Wow. Yeah, it's come on. It's pretty cold out there.
And all this has been such a beautiful treat by Lexus, and I cannot wait to continue my relationship with Lexus. I've always had a good relationship with Lexus. You guys follow me on Instagram. You guys know that I have been working with them for such a long time and driving the LCs. And now being a family man, I just feel like the LX and the big models are where I need to be. So the next chapter, the evolution has sided with me, and fortunately now they're really enhancing their sick SUVs, and they always have been, but now it's like top tier. So it's good to know that I have an option on the sporty end, but also on the family SUV side, where we do need more room, we do need more space, and we like the perks of being comfortable. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful, beautiful thing. It's not over yet. I'm gonna go to dinner. I'll probably vlog there just a little bit. And yeah, if you guys are in Napa, Yountville, also stay at Bardesano, and also you'll get to take the Lexus vehicles out. So if you want to drive the LC500, just request it like I did when I went to Target. I said, hey guys, do you guys mind if I borrow that LC500? They said, sure, no questions asked. Show me your driver's license, valid driver's license, because you need one, and we'll be more than happy to provide you with the LC500. What other hotel can you get that experience? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.